The Bosch electric mini tank water heater Tronic 3000T. Bosch puts hot water where you need it. This compact and easy-to-maintain 4-gallon point-of-use mini tank electric water heater has an impressive 98% thermal efficiency rating. The premium glass-filled insulated tank works hard to provide fast, hot water recovery rates for up to 2 hand-washing sinks on demand. This water heater can be mounted to a shelf, a wall under the sink, or floor-mounted. The Bosch electric mini tank water heater is also great as a cold water sandwich. Connecting this mini to an installed water line that runs a larger electric water heater allows the Bosch to act as a buffer, so you absolutely never run out of hot water in your home. Thick layer of environmentally friendly CFC foam insulation wraps around the glass insulation for reliable hot water output and leakage protection. A built-in pressure relief valve keeps the system from collecting condensation and keeps you safe from the water heater dry firing. The heater is built with a sleek, attractive white housing to seamlessly blend in with any decor in your home, RV, boat, or apartment. The Tronic 3000 measures 13.75 by 13.75 by 13.5 inches, uses 12 amps, 120 volts, weighs approximately 16 pounds, and runs 150 psi. The long 37-inch cord gives you extra room and lets you install this heater worry-free. Expect perfect temperatures between 65 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit using the manual Min Ideal Max adjustable dial. Now for some pros. Beautiful, decorative, and compact. Great mini water heater for RV, boat, small home, or apartment. Cold water sandwich inline hot water buffer system. Best on a budget electric tankless water heater. Now for a few cons. It has a confusing online warranty request form. Manual water heater temperature control dial doesn't have precise temperature settings. Short lifespan and leakage issues.